will show you what I got done on the bike today. Then back in Bewdley for just a few days, finish my preparations, and then I'm off for my 2026 tour.
Lags. Not a lot of wind today. Morning. G'day. G'day. Look at this properly enjoyable bike touring weather, but I have neglected to charge my mic. So I guess it's useful to know how long the standby life lasts or otherwise. So you can probably hear that the wind has picked up a little bit. Comte, very nice, thank you Kate. Gruyere, excellent choice, thank you so much. They pair very nicely with my grapes. Some kind of racetrack back there. Oh, there we go. It's very noisy. This is the area that was super flooded on my way up. I think the floodwater's gone down a little bit, but I'm just coming up to the part that was utterly flooded. And I'm wondering if I need to go around or if it will have gone down enough. Has it gone down much? It was quite near the car when I came out. Yeah, maybe I'm not going to go through that again. I wonder if this car got properly flooded. Like, it looks absolutely saturated in there. Yeah, my feet were never completely dry this morning. I didn't do a perfect job of drying my shoes, but I've survived that puddle. G'day.
Oh yeah. Sorry, I'll push these in a minute.
Oh, thanks so much.
Right.
I can wait. Like.
That's right, we'll push these in a minute.
Oh. Oh, that's loads. Thanks. That's plenty.
Can you get through there?
Yeah, that's perfect. Thanks heaps.
No problem. It's a mess down here, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm sure it's going to be beautiful in time.
Yeah.
Cheers.
See you later.
G'day. Pretending that flapjacks are healthy because they're made of oats. This one's gone down, I think. pretty tired now, pushing into this headwind. You sort of have to like brace against it, so my upper body is getting a workout and it's not used to it, so my neck and my shoulders are sore and stiff, but I'm into the last 25 kilometers now. The weather is holding apart from the wind. Okay, work that I've had done. The main situation that I caused myself was I didn't have this snubber near enough to the belt, so it seems that that was making the belt slip, which has unnaturally aged it. So unfortunately I've had to get a new cog ring here, a new belt here, a new cog here, and a lock ring that sits on. I've got new disc brakes in the back, new brake disc I should say in the front. Obviously I've had the brakes bled, got some lovely new bar tape. What else? General servicey things. There's probably several things I'm forgetting to mention, but the Rohloff cables, maybe at the same time as I damaged the bottom of that pannier scooting over something too low, I'd ripped the plastic cover off the cable here, so the actual cables were exposed and that's no good. So I've got new cables on there. Hopefully I'm ready to go. Very important to say thank you so much to my patrons for continuing to support me during the sort of off period of the winter, because it was that Patreon sponsorship that has paid for the bike service. So thank you so much, patrons. Weird navigation. I'm absolutely done in. I don't remember this bit on the way out. Obviously, it would have been over in a flash. At last, nearly there. 90 kilometers it will be. Great Western here is the first pub I ever had a pint of beer in. Yeah, back in Bewdley. What a beautiful town. I've booked my ferry to Spain, so I'm back for just a few days, a little bit of family TLC, a last few preparations and repairs, and then I'm off for the year. How exciting!